Hi there, Ms. Devereaux here, and I just want to give you a quick tutorial on how to use Canva. Um, I think Canva is really awesome because it's a super user-friendly, free site that allows you to create a lot of really cool graphic and visual things. So you might end up liking Canva after this and maybe using it as a resource for some of your other classes. If you've had me in the past, you may already have some experience with Canva because, like I said, I think it's great. So what I did to get here is I just came from this final flyer or invitation and I clicked on the free templates and it brought me here. You don't have to use any of these. These are just a resource for you that might be helpful. The first thing you're going to have to do is sign up, I believe. But let's see. Okay, so let's say, going back to my example, that I am doing that blanket drive for my cause. So over here, they've got kind of some labels that would go with your templates that maybe would work out for you. Or you don't have to use these at all. You can just create your own template if you want to, or your own flyer. It's completely up to you. So I'm just going to do a quick look and see if there's anything here that I think fits. And we're going to go with this one because this kind of reminds me of a blanket. So I want to use this template. And you're going to, you will have to create an account if you don't have one. It's free. So don't worry about it. You'll just create an education account. I already have one, so I just have to log in. And so now it's open, and if you just click, I can double click and I can type what I want here. If I wanted to change this font, this is where it's going to change the font. Keep in mind that anything inside this box is going to get changed, so I can't have blanket one font and drive another font. I have to put them in two separate text boxes. The color, size, bold, orientation, that's all right there. If you wanted to add more text boxes, just click text, and you can drag one of these over, or you can use one of these pre-made headers. Everything is fully customizable. So if I decide I don't like this font here, I can change that. You'll obviously need to be adding in some text boxes if I were using this to give the information about my event and to include my facts. So I'll just drag this on here. And I like that font. So I'm going to go to Oswald and then some facts. Again, this is totally up to you how you want to customize this. You can add more borders. You can, so elements here, lines, those are kind of your borders. If you are looking for an image of something, there's lots of free stuff available. There are also things that are a charge. So if it says free, it's free, but otherwise it's $1. So don't use the things that cost money because you will have to pay in order to download it, and I'm not expecting you to do that. So let's say that this is perfect and it's what I want to submit and what I want to use in my talk. I'm going to go to download, JPEG. I'm going to tell it to download. And it'll take a minute. It's not very long. All right. And it took longer than it normally does. So my download popped up on my other screen. I'm going to go over here. I like to just make a copy so I can save it exactly in the place I want to. And then from here, what you'll do is you'll just upload this to your Google assignment like you would a normal assignment in Google. Let's see here if I have a class that I'm a student in. So let's say that I need to upload, oh, that one I've already done. So if you wanted to upload an assignment, you would go over here and add, and remember you can do a file from your computer or something from your Google Drive. And I can just say open, upload, and then turn in, and then that's how you'll submit it to me to be graded. So again, use Canva, kind of check it out, play around in it. It is a drag and drop, so it is pretty user friendly. You just kind of have to get used to playing around with it. And if you don't like any of those pre-made posters, that's totally fine. You can create your own. You can pick something that you like, change the backgrounds as you want. Like let's say you decide you want to come up with your own customized background. You just drag and drop a new background on there. Of course, it's not going to work now. And you go from, let's see here, we can just start over. So we'll go with a poster. And now I'm starting from scratch. So I can pick one of these or I can just create my own and build it as I see fit. But again, it's totally up to you how you do this. You can use the templates, you can customize the templates, or you can create your own. Again, it's just going to take you a couple minutes to get used to Canva, and then you should be good to go. Make sure you download it as a JPEG in order to submit it for your assignment. And double check all of these requirements and look over the rubric before you submit to make sure that you have met all of the requirements. Good luck.